The device is an invalid status error on Tracfone means your phone can't access cellular service due to validation issues with its electronic serial number, ESN, or IMEI. This often happens during setup or reactivation. The most common reasons are a blacklisted ESN, reported lost, stolen, or unpaid bills, SIM pairing failures with GSM devices, or carrier incompatibilities if you've switched networks. Tracfone checks these against databases shared by Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, since they operate on these networks. To quickly check if this is the issue, use Tracfone's online ESN checker tool to verify your phone's status. Start with basic troubleshooting steps. Restart your device, update the software, and reset network settings to clear any temporary issues. If basic fixes don't work, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted and paired with your device's IMEI number. For reactivations, use Tracfone's app or website portal. The process typically takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. If issues persist, contact Tracfone support for an override. Many problems stem from secondhand phones with blocked ESNs. Always check the ESN status before buying a used Tracfone to avoid invalid status errors. With Tracfone's move towards eSIM technology, SIM pairing errors should decrease by 2026, but checking ESN status remains crucial.